Hello friends, today I want to tell some interesting thing in my gardening. So I planted these tomatoes, but it was eaten by some creature like a squirrel or smaller creature than squirrel. So before that, I used to spray spice liquid on the tomatoes and its leaves, but it didn't work. So and then I spread some pepper seed onto the pot. So some seeds was eaten, but some was most of the seeds are left on the pot. So after that, I bought this spice pepper, and 2 days ago, I found this pepper was eaten by the creature. It tear the the red pepper down and bite it. This is a whole, so it's very spicy. So it only bite found is spicy, so it throw it away, and then it tear another pepper and also bite a small hole here and also throw it away, run away. I think it found it's too spicy. And 3 weeks ago, I ate this pepper, and my stomach and belly was hurt so hard, heavily, and I hope I will never eat this pepper again. So I think the creature was hurt by this spicy pepper too. But now I most want to share two interesting things that just like good luck. So weeks ago, I found in the portal that some kind of a seedling. At first, I thought they may be some wider plant, so I pull them off. But soon I found that it looks like a pepper seedling, and also you can find some seedling here. Most of seedling I transplant into another pot. Here you can find some, because I also throw some peppers seeds onto this pot too. And now you can see this one, this seedling. So I take a close look, found the seedling looks like a pepper seedling. So at first I didn't know what happened. Then soon I realized the pepper seeds I spread onto the pot to scare squirrel. They happened to become seedling. In the early spring, I tried to cultivate pepper seedling, but I got nothing. And now it happened to help me to have some pepper seedling. Now I transplant this onto this pot, and I hope I can when the weather become cool, I can take this pot inside the house, so next spring they can grow. And another interesting thing is this lettuce seedling. They are also happened by chance, because I growed some lettuce and let them flower, and I'm planning to gather some lettuce seed. So this lettuce flower is the seed are mature, so it has white cotton-like things. So the latter seedling are matured. So in the summer, it was so hot I didn't notice what happened. So the lettuce seeds was blew by wind and fall onto this pot. Now that they are become lettuce seedling. So I I found I didn't get any effort. The pepper and the lettuce seedling are come naturally, so I feel very happy. So that's I want to share with you. And now you can see the tomato. I wrapped them with a plastic bag, and fortunately, I my potato was safe in this way, and the small creature didn't eat it. Now I have some, and I harvest several tomatoes, mature tomatoes. They are so delicious and organic. So I hope you enjoy this interesting thing, and hope in your life you can feel many happy things and cheer you up. Thank you.